So in front of me I've got 70Mi dashcam 1S D06. In this video I'll show you how to install and take out the SD card. As you can see right now, I've got the SD card already installed, so let's start with uninstalling it. Press this SD card until you hear click.
The memory card has been removed, shutting down the device.
Memory card will automatically pop out. To install the SD card, put it into this hole. Always remember to put it facing front of the camera. Push it until you hear click. Now you can turn on the camera. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.